Declarative and imperative programming explained.
Declarative and imperative programming are two major ways to write and think about code. Each paradigm shapes how programmers describe solutions to problems. Understanding their differences helps you choose the right approach for your projects and become a more flexible developer.
What is imperative programming?
Walkeims tells the computer exactly how to perform tasks, step by step. You write detailed instructions describing each operation, such as changing variables or looping through data. Languages like C, Java, and Python often use this approach. Imperative code closely matches how the computer works, giving you precise control, but often requiring more code to accomplish tasks.
What is declarative programming?
Declarative programming focuses on describing the desired result, not the steps to get there. You specify what the end state should be, and the system figures out the details. Examples include SQL for databases or HTML for web pages. This approach often leads to shorter, more readable code, but you may have less control over how tasks are completed behind the scenes.
Comparing the paradigms,
imperative programming gives you control over the process, often at the cost of longer, more detailed code. Declarative programming simplifies your code by handling the process for you, making it easier to maintain. Knowing when to use each paradigm depends on the problem, your goals, and the languages or tools you're using.
choosing the right approach.
Many modern projects blend declarative and imperative styles. For example, web developers might use imperative JavaScript alongside declarative HTML. Understanding the strengths of each paradigm lets you write clearer, more efficient code. Exploring both styles helps you tackle a wider range of software challenges.